Good morning, everybody. Just getting out here checking traps. A little different scenery today. Yesterday we were in the 50s. A couple days ago we were in the 70s, close to 80. And now it snowed overnight. It's beautiful out here. But just never know, I guess. I'm down here on the farm where I caught that 65 pounder. Sorry about that. No action in the last 3 days, I guess it'd be 3-4 days. Nothing's been touched, nothing on the trail cameras other than a couple muskrats, some raccoons, and some wood ducks. So I'm probably gonna pull these tomorrow. I thought about it today, but with this snow, I don't think it's gonna happen. We'll go up here where we caught that 65 pounder. You can see there's not much water left here. There's the 3 traps still sitting there. Nothing's been through here. There is actually a little bit of ice over here this morning. It's supposed to get up in around 40 today, so this will all be gone. But yeah, you can see a little bit of ice there. There's really nothing. There's no air bubbles, nothing swam through there for sure. There's a trail camera right there too, so if anything does, I would have had it on the video. So I have a caster mount there, a caster mount on that side, but nothing's doing any good. They're gone, which I'm happy. I'm happy for these people, you know, that I could get them out of here for them. That field's dried up there now. Well, after the snow all melts and everything, but they're going to be all farm it this year. So we'll just keep an eye on it. But for this year, I think the beaver are all gone. So I got to go to that other pond and check those traps. Hoping I get another one out of there. I know there's at least one more in there, but it's been slow. I don't know, I caught that one the first night. But we'll get over there and check them out. Beautiful day out here though. Can't complain. Better than being at work, that's for sure. Okay, stay tuned. Well, good morning, everybody. Back out here checking traps today. I haven't filmed much lately. I mean, this is the spot where I caught that first beaver on this pond first night, and since then, I mean, it's warmed up. I mean, we had snow, then it melted, then we had more snow. It's just been crazy weather. Windy as hell every day, so that's why I haven't really been filming anything. I mean, there's really nothing to film. Empty traps. I put a bunch more sets here and using different types of lure and nothing. So I can't find a bank down here on this pond, you know. I mean, it's a nice pond, but and no fresh chewings. I haven't found any fresh chewings anywhere. So I mean, I caught just the one the first night. The owner said he seen 2 swimming, and then he thought 2 big ones and 2 little ones, but I'm not sure. They could have been muskrats, the small ones, but I don't know. Down to my last week of season, so I just thought I'd throw something up here. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I get around this pond, I got a lot of traps, more traps to check. I think I got 10 sets around this pond. Almost every point, you know, where it juts out and back in here. Like I said, this is on a kind of a point, and this is where I caught the first one the first night. And no set off traps. I've had a couple raccoons, you know, the incidentals that I didn't want to catch, but no set off traps, so I don't know how they'd be trap shy or anything like that. I mean, so we'll get down here checking the rest of them. If we got something, I'll bring it back. But it's been slow. I just wanted to let you know what's going on here, so stay tuned. Well, everybody, it's gonna be a wrap on this trapping season. Pretty sad about it, I guess. Just rolled up to the last trap here. There it is, right there. Drowning rod going out there, caster mount right there. Last trap of the year I'm pulling right today, you know, so at least it's a decent day. But I missed that. I never did catch that other beaver in this pond here for these guys, and I feel bad about that. I mean, I did find out that there was somebody trapping in here a couple years ago before they bought it, and I think that beaver is just so trap shy. I caught the other one the first night, and then I haven't had any set off traps, or I can't even find a bank den. I can't find anywhere where it's been going out of the water. I can't find anything where it's any fresh chews. I feel pretty bad about it, but I mean, I tried my hardest. You just never know, you know. The video from Alan Probst from North American Trapper comes to mind right now. This is just being the last trap I'm pulling for this season, where he videoed his dad, Charles, and he told a story that he liked to tell, and about meeting a guy on the mountain. The guy was hunting, he was trapping, and older guy, and the gist of the story was he told Charles that, you know, just remember what you're doing here, and he said, because you never know, you just never know when it could be the last time, you know, and you don't never know. I mean, this could be the last trap I pull up, you know, God willing it isn't, but you just never know. I mean, something could happen. And that's sadder to me, that to think that if this could ever be my last trap pulling up, and you'll never know when it is, you know. So it's sad to be pulling today, like I said, but that's always in the back of my mind. Every catch I make, you know, the last catch I made this year was that big beaver, so it was a good season. I mean, the numbers weren't there like they were last year, but that's be explained, you know. I mean, because I trapped so many beaver last year, there just isn't the spots where they were last year. There's none, so that's a good thing for the farmers. But you know, and the prices, you know, I didn't want to go out killing myself over furs that weren't worth a lot. You know, I'm not a big numbers guy anyway, unless the money's there, you know. But I just enjoy being out here, and had a great season, had fun, did a lot of things, learned a lot of things. I always learn, and always try to teach you guys, you know, everybody that's watching my channel. I try to teach everything that I learn, so you can learn from my mistakes too, you know. But just like I said, just bittersweet, you know, pulling the traps, get a little bit of rest, and in about 3 days I'll be wishing I was checking traps again. You know, I do need a little bit of a rest, but I do love trapping. And we're gonna get into some turkey hunting here pretty quick, a couple weeks here, and I mean, I'll still have some videos coming out for you. Anybody that's going to Spencer, Iowa for the FTA, I'll see you there. I'll be working in the North American Trapper booth. I can't wait to get out there and see everybody again. It's been a while since I've seen a lot of you guys. I'm gonna end this video, and like I said, I wish I could have brought you another catcher. I wish I could have caught this last beaver in this pond. We'll see. You know, I mean, it's just the way it goes. Would have liked to have went out with a bang, but I guess I kind of did. You know, catching that last catch was the biggest beaver I've ever caught. So happy about that. And I really appreciate all your support, staying with me through the whole season. You know, and come back next season. I'll be back. Don't worry. And all the comments and all the watch hours that you've given me, and just sticking with me, I really do appreciate it. So till the next video, good luck with everything.